Today, I'm going to show you some nice effects in PowerDirector 365. Recently, they introduced in 2024. So in here, I'm going to drag some clips into my timeline. All these 5 clips, I'm just dragging into the timeline. Let's play the clip. Okay, for this emotional clip, I just want to change this scene into a different effect. So pause it, go to effects, and you can select if you want to blur the face, you can blur the face or some body effects like dancing effect, or if you want to make some lights on the top of the video, you can do that. And motion effects, you can make some motion effects as well, and some nice retro effects. Okay, I want to make this as a old movie style video. Just drag and drop this effect onto the screen. Let's play it. See, for that emotional, this is really good. Okay, let's try some other effect. For this video, I'll try some other effect. Let's go to distortion, fisheye. If you want to just put the fisheye, you can just push fisheye and play the video. Play from beginning. Just play it. That is a nice look style for this video that she's looking at the window. And there are some transitions also in between the scenes, that if you want to put some transitions, to go to the transition, you can select these transitions. That is the way scene opens. One scene closes and another scene opens. After this scene, if I want to use this transition to open, just click and drag this transition. If you want to see the transition a little bit bigger, you can increase the size, and then you can click on this transition, and then you can modify the timing as well. Like, let's say if I want to have more than 2 seconds, you can have it, or you want to make it a bit more down to 1 second, you can make it. So just close it. Let's see how this is going to play now. So I'm playing from here. So after this scene, that's the way the new scene is going to open. So there are some other transitions, like if you add this transition to the next one, just play it and see how it works. That's the way that scene starts. See, that is really cool. You can place the transition between 2 clips as well. Means like in one clip, end of the one clip, the transition starts and that continues to another clip. If you see this one, that's the way one scene cuts, another scene open. So if you want to do that, you just drag this in between the 2 scenes. See here, this scene ends in here and that scene opens. So I have added this transition to 2 scenes. Let's just play from here. I'll just play a little bit further down. So play from here. That scene cuts into another scene that opens. Okay, that's the best way of adding transitions. And there are few other transitions as well. Like if you want to try, you can try this. And let's say I will add this transition to this one. Okay, let's try this. Just that scene opens. That is the way this scene opens. Means that for the audience, that is a really cool effect. One scene after the scene. So that is the way you will add transitions and effects. There are a few other transitions as well. If you want to give it a try, you can give it a try. And in transitions, there are a few effects like a blur effect and some. Okay, let's try this one. Effect number 8. Just put it on there, this scene, and just play from here. That's the way that scene is going to open. Because that the glass break scene, because she's in emotional, so the glass is broken into that scene. So based on the scene, that you can add a transition, but that has to be good for the audience when they are watching the movie. That is the way you add the transitions effect. Please comment if you need any more videos on PowerDirector 365 and subscribe to my channel.